Alright, Mr. Sheldon, Vaughan, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name there. So, I started to reply, but there's a little bit more involved. So, oh, look at that engine. So, but first things first, engine identification. If it's petrol, there's a completely different manual. If it's diesel, I've got a Russix one here, which was in an old motorhome, but again, they're hard to find. So, oh, if you change to all comments, so there's a link to there's a link to JK Towers, but again, I'm not sure whether that covers petrol and diesel, and that's the Russix one. That's out of stock, but that's for the petrol. And like I say, I've got one here which covers diesel, which covers but I don't think it covers the Fiat 1.9 engine. It covers the XUD engine. Excuse me, slurping my coffee now. So and then there's market number 1 gear. He's semi-retired, but his phone number is at the bottom there. I'm trying to look for a search. Strange, isn't it? Wonder if that's because I've opened it in. But yeah, they are available on disc. They're available on book if you can find one. I'll just have a quick look actually. Let me just double check the spelling. Peter Russick, like Sussex. Amazon, there you go. That's petrol. And that's petrol. Wow. Is that 99 pence? Just people are absolute bandits, mate, aren't they? Hey? But yeah, you get the gist of it. That's eBay, is it? Oh. Let's have a little quick look on there. Oh. Service guides. There we go. Toolbit Express Citroen C25. 56 quid there. Cool, a minute. I might have to put this one up for sale. That's about it, doesn't it? Anyway, I'll stop waffling on. Where's that gone? There we go. That's probably JK Towers. Practical things, sorry. That looks like a copy. Looks like someone's copied that. Bought one and copied it. Ooh, that's my little advert there. Doesn't tell you what it's for though, does it? Yeah, anyway, just double check which ones it covers. Hope that helps. Cheers and bye.